Investing in new doors for your Miami Beach home is a smart decision. Whether you've upgraded to a stylish entry door, durable patio sliders, or high-impact hurricane-rated doors, proper care is key to making sure your investment stands the test of time. The salty air, intense sun, and high humidity in Miami Beach can take a toll on materials, so routine maintenance is essential to keep your doors looking great and functioning smoothly for years to come. Here's a customer-friendly guide to maintaining your new doors after installation, so you can protect your investment, extend their lifespan, and keep your home secure and beautiful. Clean regularly to prevent salt and dirt buildup. Miami Beach's coastal air is rich in salt, which can lead to corrosion and deterioration if left unchecked, especially on metal components like hinges, handles, and frames. Tips for cleaning your doors. Wipe down exterior surfaces with a soft cloth and mild soap and water at least once a month. Rinse hardware, like locks, handles, and hinges, with fresh water and dry thoroughly. Avoid abrasive cleaners or harsh chemicals that could damage protective coatings. If your door has glass inserts, clean them with a non-ammonia glass cleaner to avoid streaking and damage to the surrounding trim. Inspect and lubricate moving parts. Salt and humidity can also affect the smooth operation of your doors. Hinges, rollers, tracks, and locks can begin to stick or squeak if not maintained. Maintenance checklist. Apply silicone-based lubricant to hinges, tracks, and locking mechanisms every 3 to 6 months. Check that all screws are tight and that no parts are rusting or loose. For sliding doors, vacuum and wipe the track regularly to remove sand, leaves, or other debris that can cause damage or resistance. Proper lubrication and cleaning will keep your doors opening and closing with ease, while also prolonging their lifespan. Check seals and weather stripping. New doors in Miami Beach homes are often installed with weather stripping to block out heat, rain, and outside air. Over time, seals can compress or deteriorate, especially with constant exposure to sunlight and moisture. To maintain energy efficiency and prevent water intrusion, inspect seals and weather stripping every few months for cracks, peeling, or gaps. Replace worn weather stripping promptly to keep your door energy efficient and watertight. For impact-rated doors, make sure the seals are still tight enough to prevent wind-driven rain from entering during storms. Maintain the door finish. Whether your new door is made of fiberglass, steel, wood, or aluminum, the finish plays a big role in protecting it from Miami Beach's elements. Best practices. Wipe down painted or finished doors with a damp cloth to remove dirt and grime. For wood doors, apply a UV protective sealant or varnish annually to prevent fading or warping. Touch up any scratches or chips in the paint to prevent rust or water damage. A well-maintained finish keeps your door looking like new and protects it from long-term damage caused by sun and salt. Test locks and security features. Security is a big reason homeowners upgrade their doors. Don't let a neglected lock compromise your safety. Tips. Test all locks monthly to ensure smooth operation. Clean keyholes with compressed air and apply a graphite-based lubricant if necessary. Ensure deadbolts fully engage and that strike plates are secure. High-impact doors also feature specialized locking systems, make sure yours are functioning correctly and not corroding over time. Schedule professional inspections if needed. If you notice persistent issues like difficulty opening your door, water leaks, or air drafts, it may be time to call a professional. An experienced technician can assess the installation, reseal gaps, adjust the frame, or recommend repairs before minor problems turn into costly ones. Final thoughts. New doors can elevate the beauty, security, and efficiency of your Miami Beach home, but only if they're properly cared for. With a simple maintenance routine, you'll keep your doors functioning flawlessly and looking fantastic for many years to come. Take pride in your investment and give your doors the regular attention they need. The result? A smoother, safer, and more stylish home, ready to handle everything the Miami Beach environment brings your way.